What will happen to the price of Bitcoin? It will go to zero or hitting a new ATH. Let's go. In this video, especially we want to talk about the price of Bitcoin, that what can happen to the price. What is my prediction? What is my analysis? As you can see in the chart, the price of Bitcoin is currently $90,000. In my opinion, it's good time to buy. If you are planning to buy, if you want to invest for the next few months, I will tell you the prices and the support soon so that you can purchase on the support line. And on the resistance, I will discuss later about them. You can sell partially and take your TP here. The first support zone is around $88,000. We are in a daily time frame. The first place to buy is 88,000. And the second support zone is around 84,000. You can see here a good shadow, so a lot of whales going to buy in this place. And the third zone is $80,000, which is our major support, a lot of buy pressure last time we saw in this place. And guys, the last place for Bitcoin, which I don't want we see lower price than here, the main support which I can see in Bitcoin. The support is from around 77 to 73. This is the main support for Bitcoin. If we see the price go lower than this support, unfortunately we can go and see lower price. But I hope for now that we can handle and keep the price above this support line, which is 80, or in the worst scenario is 75 to $73,000. In these four zones which I draw for you, you can buy your Bitcoin and your investing strategy step by step, and partially you can buy them in this place. So 88, 84, 80 and around 77 to the 73, which is the main support in my opinion. And where to take our TP? Our first TP and our first resistance zone is 100k, which is the most famous zone for Bitcoin. And this area, a lot of buy and sell pressure we can see. We can see a lot of liquidity. So this area is for Bitcoin is so important. So 100k, and in this place 107k, and the third resistance zone, which is the most liquidity we could see in the previous time. When we hit this place, we have a big reject and a big drop. As you can see, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, and the last step which you could see was the sharpening and dumping the Bitcoin. So this area for Bitcoin is very important. $117,000. The next resistance area is our previous ATH, which was around $125,000 to $126,000. So our support was 88, 84, 80, 75, and our TPs or our resistance 100k, 107, 117 and 125. And the most important is here 117, which we can see a lot of liquidity and a lot of sell pressure. This point is very important for us. So in this daily time frame, we saw our supports, which I make by green, and our resistance I show you by red marks. It was daily time frame. If I go to weekly time frame, we can see better charts, so I will explain you. Our main liquidity is around this place in a weekly time frame. The most liquidity. This we call it resistance, which I make it by red. And the most supportive area, as I can see, it's our previous ATH, which is around this place. In a weekly time frame, we can see better in chart. So as I said, in daily time frame, 75 to 76 until 72 to 73 is our main support for Bitcoin. And our resistance, which we can see a lot of liquidity in a weekly time frame, we can see around 109 to 110. In my opinion, we will see the range of price until New Year in a range position, then gradually we will go up and see higher price, and for sure soon we'll see a new ATH. As you can see, next 2-3 weeks we have a new year's. I feel for a few days we will see like range price, range. Then after new year we will break up for sure this resistance area, which is 100k. Then we will go for higher prices. This is my prediction for Bitcoin. And tell me in the comment what is your prediction for Bitcoin, and I will be happy if you subscribe me, and for the next videos I will do other altcoins analysis. And tell me in comments please which altcoins you want me to do for you for the next video. Goodbye.